This is my kitchen renovation project. Well, it's a kitchen renovation and bedroom building project. It's going to be on a pretty tight timeline because my goal is to build 2 bedrooms before this baby comes in May. 23 weeks and 2 days today, and my goal is to finish by 36 weeks. So I've got a bunch to do, but I think I can finish it all. This kitchen's gonna get, these cabinets are gonna be taken out. I'm gonna put up a wall right there in between those 2 rooms, and then we'll have kind of like an open pantry and a workstation and a pegboard up there. And then there's gonna be a kid's room back in the blue room. And then the main bedroom is gonna be back in that room with the door going out to the porch. And then this room that's currently storage space is actually gonna be the kids' playroom that'll be right off the kitchen. Today is day 2 of the bedroom building kitchen renovation project. The sheetrock is just temporarily up. There are some exposed wires back in here, and because we have a toddler, I didn't want her messing with them. So these are not going to be the final pieces of sheetrock here, but they'll kind of keep things covered up for the time being. So today I'm going to work on removing this countertop, because this is where I'm going to end up putting my 2x4s so I can build my walls up in here. Yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna keep taking things apart until the whole thing comes off, and I'll go from there. nailed on. It's just glued. So I think if I try hard enough, I can pull this whole top off. And then once the top's off, I think I can access all the screws that are actually attaching this wood underneath to this half wall, which at this point I'm thinking I'm going to try and save the half wall, but we'll see. My guess is that there are screws that were then covered up by this glue or caulk or whatever. So I'm gonna have to dig those out because it's so close to being able to be pulled up, but there's just a few points that I'm missing. Out the glue or the caulk. I'm not drilling out the screw or anything. I forgot the camera was on the shelf I'm trying to remove, which probably wasn't the best idea. So right now I'm still just looking for other kind of buried screws that are preventing me from being able to lift this whole thing up. At least at this point, my plan is to build the rest of the wall framing up here on top of it. I'm going to cut this down a little bit because I want to put a pocket door in. And so I have to measure it all out, but I'll probably have to remove that outlet and have the full wall framing end here. And then I'll have my little like pocket door space in here, and then the door will open right in that corner. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do on the inside. There's paneling on the inside of this, and I could either leave the paneling up and just have the room have paneling on the bottom half and sheetrock on the top half, or I could take the paneling off and have sheetrock go all the way up. I haven't really decided which is better. And day 2 is complete.